And we put them up on top of the Van de Graaff. So I want to point out a couple things with him. First off, you look. Okay, his hair. So he starts to stand up. Okay? Well, what is the charge on the electroscope? Reminder, we're rubbing rubber and fur, creates negative charges on the rubber, brings them up to the top, and they all spread out. So, the electroscope is negative. Do all those negatives want to just stay on that dome? No, they really like to spread out. So where they spread out to, some of them, since they're touching, don't jump onto the fur. Now, that makes the fur negative. It also makes the Van de Graaff negative. So you can see they start to repel. And eventually, whoop, down goes the money. Okay? So, and you can see it's all staticky and the hair all stands up and eventually it'll spread out. So, and you can even hear, you know, when I picked it up, you had that big staticky sound. So, let's diagram this.
Yeah.
Two pictures. Two small, easy pictures. Okay, first picture is before we start the Van de Graaff, and it's net neutral and net, and this is before it starts. Now after it starts, what charge does Van de Graaff get?
Negative.
Negative. And also the rabbit fur gets negative. So we still have a couple positives, but, and we have electrons, and we'll draw our rabbit fur out here, and even our individual hairs. So electrons go from the fur, or from the Van de Graaff to the fur. We still have a couple positives on there, but it becomes very negative, and those electrons even spread out onto all the individual hairs. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to say everything repels. Okay? Because this is net negative, and this is net negative.